Hey guys, so today I have a fun little craft haul from Amazon. These are like little gem DIY things. So starting off with this one, this is like one of those gem paintings. And let's see, this was $4 on Amazon. And open it up. So it's like a canvas type of material. And so you just unroll it. It's pretty big. And so here is the design. And so basically, if you look close, it has like a code of what color to use. And so here are the directions. And it also comes with all of these goodies that help you do the gem art. So this first package here is gonna be like the little wax pen that you use to pick up the gems and place them. And then this red thing is the wax, and the green is a tray. So you pour the color you want, and then you give it a couple shakes, and then it'll line up the gems nicely for you so that it'll be easier to grab. Here are the gems themselves. So it comes with all the colors you need. Looks like there are gonna be 19 colors. Okay, so there is white, purple, blue, another gray blue, a light purple gray color, pink, dark blue, another type of dark blue, light pink, a light blue, more blue, this teal or army green kind of color. It comes with all the colors that you need. So there's 19 of them based on this coding. So you match it up with the symbol. So for example, here is E. So I find E. I'm not sure if the package specifies. So E is going to be 14, for example. So I would find 14, and it looks like it would be this pink color. And then so on and so forth. So let's see, number 3 is like a light blue, which is really handy since there's a lot of different blues and pinks. So it's nice and easy to distinguish what color you need. So here's kind of an overview of the painting. It's kind of hard to see the whole thing at once. But there it is. And then also, because it is canvas and it came rolled, probably have to like flatten it out a bit. This is the next item that I got. I think this was either $9 or $10 on Amazon, and it's like a bedazzling kit, so you can really bedazzle whatever you want. Comes with glue, comes with the gems, and then I think some wax thing, and then like tweezers. Okay, so here is the glue. It comes with B7000 glue. Let's see how much it comes with. I would say this is pretty good. It's 0.3 fluid ounces or 10 milliliters, and it comes with 3 of them. It says it's like it works on various surfaces. I've never used this glue before, but we'll test it out. And then this white pen. It's like, I think it's like a wax crayon or pencil. And then the tweezers you can use to pick it up, or you could use like one of these. And so here are all the rhinestones or gems that it comes with, and they're all kind of I believe it was called iridescent on the listing, but yeah, you can see They all kind of have some iridescence to it. And it comes with a really good mix of colors. So yeah, here is my little Amazon haul. Super excited to try everything out and do a little DIY.